juicy lemon and herb baked chicken. All right, let me tell you, this one right here is just on another level of flavor. Absolutely amazing, so easy to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get into it. So to begin, we got to get a little bit of a marinade going. We got a little bit of olive oil, some lemon juice, some chopped up rosemary, as well as my special seasoning blend. You want to go ahead and get all these ingredients together and go ahead and give them a mix. Of course, all the ingredients are listed on the screen and they will be in the description box as well. Moving on, we're gonna grab our chicken and we're gonna cut that backbone right on out so our chicken lays flat, and it allows it to cook much more quickly as well. So grab yourself a super sharp pair of some kitchen shears and go ahead and slice that right on out. You also want to kind of slice and dice and get rid of any excess skin or anything that you don't need on your chicken. Once we have it all cleaned up, we are gonna transfer it into a mixing bowl. Now that we have our chicken here, we're gonna toss that marinade over the top, and you want to really massage that into every crack and crevice on this chicken. I'm talking about under the skin right near the breast, under the skin right near the thigh, the back side of this chicken, all over. You want to make sure it is well coated up in this delicious marinade right here. So now that our chicken is well seasoned up, you want to transfer it into a baking tray. You want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit more of that yummy dry seasoning blend right over the top, just like so. And once we have it well covered up, we're going to bake this at 375 Fahrenheit for about an hour or so, or until the internal temperature is at 165 Fahrenheit. And wow, this looks stunning. And guess what? It tastes even better, baby. This right here is a 10 out of 10. Grab your drippings from the pan and just go ahead and drizzle it over the top just like so, and get ready to feast on some of the best chicken you will ever taste in your life. Don't take those words lightly. I'm telling you, how juicy is this right here? You gotta get in your kitchen and whip this up. Enough said. All right, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave me a like, subscribe if you're new, comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. Deuces.